on of work. And the race is on, unfolding. Miss Dixie Dancer from the outside, Best of Biscuit down on the inside. And Tires racing forward by and can have rising up by the Real Spanish Lover. And on the outside, Husi, Rain Dancer, Lady Kugat Tataran, Open Mind is running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Miss Dixie Dancer, followed now by Spanish Lover. Best of Biscuit on the outside, running down on the inside is unfolding. Antares racing back. Rounding the far turn, the outstanding favorite, Miss Dixie Dancer by some 2 lengths, followed by Hutsi and Spanish Lover unfolding in the middle as they race the final corner. Miss Dixie Dancer by a length and a half is Spanish Lover and running on the outside, Andres unfolding in the middle, Hutsi and nearing the finish line. The icebreaker, the outstanding favorite, Miss Dixie Dancer. And to rest close, Spanish Lover, Husi unfolding, and